Tribal Council for the National Judicial College has been really active in helping to support the direction and the type of courses that are provided throughout the nation, but also here in Reno. In Alaska, we've been able to develop courses to help educate judges. We collaborate with a number of partners throughout the nation.
As a member of the Tribal Justice Council, we come together periodically and talk about the issues that are most important to the Indian country and how to understand the tribal justice system much better, because sometimes it's not always clear to anybody about what we mean by tribal justice, and especially when people tend to look more to the mainstream law for guidance, for application, and means to resolve problems. And I think what we need to do as well as is to look to say, what is tribal law? What is tribal justice?
We've been working with state judges across the country, especially in Wisconsin where I'm from, and trying to bring those court systems together. And with the support of the Tribal Justice Center here at the college, they've been so supportive in allowing us to meet and to discuss and to learn about each other and to share the problems and, more importantly, share the solutions to issues in not only tribal communities but in society as general. And there seems to be a deep interest of state judges in incorporating some of our more indigenous healing type of thinking into their systems of justice.
As tribal court judges, I mean, we find the opportunity to mingle with the state court judges and federal judges and talk about, how to better serve the people at home, rather than, as judges we struggle over jurisdictional boundaries, and I don't think that's what the people need.
When I first came to the Judicial College, of course, there was no real tribal presence here. When I look now at how much we're doing with tribal courts, I'm amazed, and of course, I'm very proud.
I got appointed, and my first time I got sent here by my chairman, I had not taken the bench yet, and he said, go to the Judges College, and I attended three courses before I even took a seat as a judge. And then after that, I attended off and on the different sessions through the years. And other than that, that's only, I'm not an attorney. So all the judicial training that I've taken mostly has been here. I still use, to this day, that chart that they gave us when you get a case before you. It's divided up. You've got the charge and the elements of an offense. And then you have either proven or challenged or not proven. And it was just an easy way to determine if there's evidence there, how do you make your decision. And I haven't seen the chart around for years, but I made a copy and I keep copying over and over.
With tribal judges, we have both legally trained judges and non-legally trained judges, and I'm a non-legally trained judge. And in Alaska, that's a really big part of the judicial, the judgeships in Alaska are mostly non-legally trained. And the Judicial College with the Tribal Center has been able to support judges that are non-legally trained in a way that some other agencies, I don't think, have the ability to do. And we bring together both legally and non-legally trained judges and open up that communication and build skill sets that both judges need, and also share information about how those courts are operating, build understanding, and also increase legal understanding for all of our judges. And I think that's a really important role for the Tribal Center in the National Judicial College. I know it's been really helpful to me on the council to be able to provide that information, but also to take information back to my state and interact with judges in my state and explain what the Judicial College does. And hopefully we've increased the participation in Judicial College courses over the years by doing that. And I think it's a good role for the National Judicial Center.